Nifty aims for rebound amid global cues, budget hopes, and Q3 earnings. GIFT Nifty is pointing to a positive start, indicating an inspiring session for the bulls camp. The good news is that global cues are improving following a big sell-off on Wall Street in Monday's trade amidst concerns over the US's AI dominance amid rising competition from Chinese DeepSeek. As of recording, DeepSeek AI worries seems to be overblown. The big questions: can Nifty bulls take over the positive baton after yesterday's rebound attempt? Strictly speaking, Nifty and its stocks are reeling amid worries of record exodus from the foreign institutional investors. This January so far, they have sold to the tune of Rs. 79,016.40 crores. Bottom line, unless the FIIs camp are back on their buying desk, caution will continue to be the buzzword on any excessive strength at Dalal Street. Long story short, the most probable bullish scenario could be that the benchmark Nifty holds its ground above the dotted lines. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's positive session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 4921 crores, while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 6814 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating oversold conditions on the daily charts. FANO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,000 to 24,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index spiked towards 18.19 levels. At last check, USD INR was drifting at 86.49. Nifty PCR, 30th January, is at 0.89 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th January, is at 0.73. Nifty outlook: Nifty may trade with positive bias, but on any excessive strength Nifty is likely to waver with as the street remains unsure on how serious Trump's tariff threats are. Nifty, CMP 22957. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 22,787 mark. Immediate intraday resistance is placed only at 23,437 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 2850 and 23250. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 48867. Bank Nifty's biggest support now seen at 47,845 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 49,651 mark closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 48,500 and 49500. Bias for the day is neutral. It was nice to see Nifty bouncing back in yesterday's trade. There is a bright chance that as the trading session rolls on, Nifty's gains could gather steam and lift the benchmark above the psychological 23,000 mark. All bullish hopes now turn towards Union Budget 2025 to be released on 1st February. All bullish eyes on Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, who is expected to focus on the measures to boost consumption and support economic growth while maintaining fiscal consolidation path. All bullish eyes also look towards the Federal Reserve, which is expected to keep rates unchanged on Wednesday, 29th January. Buzzing stocks. 1. The corporate India's Q3 earnings to trickle in today: Bajaj Finance, Maruti Suzuki, Tata Motors, Adani Power, Ambuja Siemens, SRF, Indian Bank, Jindal Stainless, Voltas. 2. Bajaj Auto posted an 8% year-on-year increase in consolidated net profit for Q3 FY25, reaching 2,196 crore rupees, surpassing Street's estimates. The positive takeaway was that Bajaj Auto's electric vehicle (EV) business became profitable for the first time. This includes both electric scooters and three-wheelers, with the company stating that its electric scooter segment is close to achieving positive per-unit EBITDA. 3. JSW Energy reported a 27% year-on-year decline in consolidated net profit for the third quarter owing to lower revenues from thermal and hydropower plants.